know exercise is good for you, but do you know how good? From boosting your mood to improving your sex life, find out how exercise can improve your life in this video. We are going to tell you all the benefits of regular physical activity. Want to feel better, have more energy, and even add years to your life? Just exercise. The health benefits of regular exercise and physical activity are hard to ignore. Everyone benefits from exercise, no matter the age, sex, or physical ability. Need more convincing to get moving? Then watch the video and we are going to share you that how exercise can lead to a happier and healthier you. 1. Exercise controls weight. Exercise can help prevent excess weight gain or help you keep off lost weight. When you take part in physical activity, you burn calories. The more intense the activity, the more calories you burn. Regular trips to the gym are great, but don't worry if you can't find a large chunk of time to exercise every day. Any amount of activity is better than none. To gain the benefits of exercise, just get more active throughout your day. For example, take the stairs instead of the elevator or rev up your household chores. Consistency is the key. Number 2. Exercise combats health condition and disease. Worried about your heart disease? Hoping to prevent high blood pressure? No matter what your current weight is, being active boosts high-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and it decreases unhealthy triglycerides. This one-two punch keeps your blood flowing smoothly, which lowers your risk of heart and blood vessels called cardiovascular disease. Regular exercise helps prevent or manage many health problems and concerns, including stroke, metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, depression, anxiety, many types of cancer, arthritis, falls, etc. It can also improve cognitive functions and help lower the risk of death from all causes. Number 3. Exercise improves mood. Need an emotional lift or need to lower stress after a stressful day? A gym session or brisk walk can help. Physical activity stimulates many brain chemicals that may leave you feeling happier, more relaxed, and less anxious. You also may feel better about your appearance and yourself when you exercise regularly, which can boost your confidence and improve your self-esteem. Number 4. Exercise helps to boost your energy. Winded by grocery shopping or household chores? Regular physical activity can improve your muscle strength and boost your endurance. Exercise sends oxygen and nutrients to your tissues and helps your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. And when your heart and lung health improve, you have more energy to tackle daily chores. Number 5. Exercise helps promote better sleep. Struggling to snooze? Regular physical activity can help you fall faster, get better sleep, and deepen your sleep. Just don't exercise too close to bedtime or you may be too energized to go to sleep. Number 6. Exercise boosts the spark back into your sex life. Do you feel too tired or too out of shape to enjoy physical intimacy? Regular physical activity can improve energy levels and give you more confidence about your physical appearance, which may boost your sex life. But there's even more to it than that. Regular physical activity may enhance arousal for women, and men who exercise regularly are less likely to have problems with erectile dysfunction than are men who don't exercise. Number 7. Exercise can be fun and social. Exercise and physical activity can be fun. They give you a chance to unwind, enjoy the outdoors, or simply do activities that make you happy. Physical activity can also help you connect with family or friends in a fun social setting. So take a dance class, hit the hiking trails, or join a social team. Find a physical activity you enjoy and just do it. Are you bored? Then try something new or do something with friends or family. Exercise and physical activity are great ways to feel better, boost your health, and have fun. We are going to share some tips to help you make exercise part of your regular home. First of all, make everyday activities more active. Even small changes can help. You can take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk down the hall to a co-worker's office instead of sending an email, wash the car yourself, park further away from a destination. Be active with friends and family. Having a workout partner and may make you more likely to enjoy exercise. You can also plan social activities that involve exercise. You might also consider joining an exercise group or class such as a dance class,